Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a quick share. I'm entering in to Donnadreamsx3 and my scrapbook Loft's monthly swap, and this month Donnadreams is the one who's holding it, and she's requesting a sequin mix. So I have already mixed up my sequins and I'm about to bag it. If you would like to join in on this swap, you would just need to send in 3 different, well, not different, but send in 3, she says, tablespoons of a mix per person, and so you have to send in 3 of them, and you get back 3 different ones from whoever sent them in to her. Hope that made sense. Might sound a little crazy, but yeah, so I know I'm putting more than is probably required, so I'm not going to measure it, but yeah, I will leave the description. No, I will leave the link to Donna's YouTube channel in the description box below, so you can go find out about the swap and all the information you're going to need in order to join. And even if you can't make it this month, next month it's back to Judy at my scrapbook Loft. It's her turn, so maybe you can join in on that one. But until the next video, stay crafty and shakas.